We're standing right in front of the Cliff House restaurant, which has great historical value here in San Francisco, California. You can see they kind of changed it around a bit. They made it look very Art Deco style, modernized it. Instead of just one restaurant, they now have two inside. And we noticed that the ocean, here's the San Francisco Bay, here's a sneak peek. The waves are very choppy out today. Here's a lovely view of the ocean.